हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू SQS क्लासेस। आज हम क्लास 10th के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। क्लास 10th में चैप्टर 6 इज़ गोइंग ऑन ट्राइंगल्स। इन दिस चैप्टर 6 exercise 6.1 exercise 6.2 has been done, and theorem, Thales theorem, converse of Thales theorem and other similarity criteria of the triangles also discussed. That truth statement, that are also truth statement means theorems we have to use in the questions. These similarity criteria explains that. Now today exercise 6.3 question 4 onward we have to do. Up to question 3 has been done in the last lecture. This lecture on this chapter, lecture number 7. 6 lectures has been done. This is the 7th lecture. Okay. Now question number 4 in NCERT book. NCERT book question 4. Question 4 is in figure. Figure is given with question. In figure, QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2 mentioned in the figure. These are equal given. Prove that, show that a triangle PQS, similar triangle TQR. This we have to prove. Okay. Now in this, what is given? Use that angle 1 equal to angle 2. In the starting, prove as angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Okay beta, these angles equal given. So these both angles in which triangle? You see angle 1 and angle 2 in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. Okay. So opposite sides of equal angles are equal. Opposite sides of equal angles are equal. Opposite sides of equal angles are equal. Okay beta. So this property we have to use here. So angle 1, opposite side of angle 1 in this triangle PQR, opposite side of angle 1 is PR. So then opposite side of angle 1 is PR. So PR is equal. Opposite side of angle 2, angle 2 opposite side is QP. Okay beta. Opposite side is QP. Clear? QP or PQ we can say, or QP. This. Clear? So this is equation 1. We have to use in the other given. What other given? Other thing given, ratio of the sides proportionally here given. So PQR as QR upon QS equal QT upon PR given. This also given. So use here equation number 1. यानी put PR value is QP. Okay. Use equation 1 here. यूज इक्वेशन 1 मीन्स पी आर के प्लेस पर क्यू पी पुट कर दें, बिकॉज इक्वेशन 1 में पी आर की वैल्यू क्यू पी है. सो पुट हियर, सो दिस इम्प्लाइज क्यू आर अपॉन क्यू एस इक्वल क्यू टी अपॉन पी आर इज क्यू पी. QP, okay, and angle 1 is common. Angle 1 equal to angle 1 common in triangle PQS in triangle PQS and triangle TQR. एंगल Q सेम है, TQR. ओके, तो सी दैट कि these two ratio and angle 1 equal to angle 1, that it is here same common angle in these two triangles. Q angle is common angle in both triangle PQS and TQR. So you see, and two sides are proportionally QR upon QS, QR upon QS. एक साइड हो गई ट्रायंगल क्यू आर की, एक साइड ट्रायंगल पी क्यू एस. तो क्यू आर अपॉन क्यू एस इज इक्वल टू टी क्यू अपॉन पी क्यू, क्यू टी अपॉन क्यू पी. ठीक है, क्यू टी अपॉन क्यू पी. तो मीन्स एंगल क्यू इज द कॉमन एंगल इंक्लूडेड एंगल ऑफ द टू साइड्स विच रेशो हेयर इक्वल. टू साइड्स रेशोज आर इक्वल. सो बाई एस एस, सो by SAS similarity triangle which PQS similar triangle TQR. Done. By SAS, two sides proportionally here and included angle equal. By this property, SAS similarity criteria, we can say triangle PQS similar triangle TQR. Done. Hence proved. ओके बेटा, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, हैंस प्रूव्ड. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. डन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ओके, इन NCERT बुक क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 we have to do. Okay, now question number 5. Question 5 is question number 5. Now this question number 5, what is in the figure? Triangle PQR and S and T, 2 points on side RP and RQ respectively S and T, such that angle STR is equal to angle P given. So according to this given, we can prove easily one angle of the triangle RPQ, one angle of this triangle, angle P, and triangle RTS angle T given equal. So we can say prove in triangle R P Q and triangle R T S. What is in these two triangles? Angle P of this triangle RPQ triangle, angle P equal given angle STR given. Okay, this given, and second angle, R angle is common in both the triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, angle R is common in both the triangle. So we can say angle R is equal to angle R common in these both triangles. Okay, so two angles of one triangle equals 1 by 1 to the other triangle. So we can say AA, third automatically will be equal. So by AA similarity, we can say these both are similar. Simple. So by AA similarity, by A similarity, triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS. Hence proved. Done. Very simple. So similarly, next question we can do question number 6. Okay. What is question 6? Simple question. In NCERT book, question number 6 is one figure given triangle ABC in figure this triangle ABC. Okay, question 6, if triangle ABE in figure E point and D point, okay, like that, intersecting each other at the point P. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, triangle ABE any point here, ABE congruent ACD this point D. These are congruent given in question number 6 in figure triangle ABE congruent ट्रायंगल ACD, ACD, sorry, triangle ACD. These two triangle congruent given. Prove that, to prove or show that triangle ADE triangle ADE similar triangle ABC. ये हमें प्रूव करना है इसमें. ओके बेटा, सी क्वेश्चंस अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन. सी ट्रायंगल ABE congruent AC. तो AB and AC will be equal. Okay, AB equal to AC because congruent, and after that angle A here common. ठीक है, these equal two sides, and after that you can see here other point B equal to C. Okay, and angle E equal to angle D. Angle E equal to angle D. In triangle ABE, this full angle E is equal to ACD, this full congruent. Okay, now proof. In the proof, first take as triangle ABE congruent triangle ACD. Okay beta, see that given so by CPCT we can take, so AB side will be equal to AB equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Clear? Because by CPCT corresponding part of congruent triangle by CPCT. Okay, so now what you have to prove? Triangle ADE, ध्यान देंगे, triangle ADE, this triangle ADE, similar ABC, you have to prove. Okay, now you see here AD congruent है, AD साइड AE के इक्वल है यहाँ पर, एंड AD equal to AE by CPCT. Same from the given triangles congruent. अब इसमें ध्यान देंगे कि ट्रायंगल ADE में टू साइड इक्वल हो गई, ADE एंड ABC में टू साइड्स इक्वल हो गई, तो इक्वल साइड्स को अगर हम डिवाइड कर दें ट्रायंगल ADE की AD, ठीक है बेटा, एंड ट्रायंगल ए बी सी की ए बी, तो इफ वी डिवाइड ए डी अपॉन ए बी, डिवाइड बोथ इक्वेशन, डिवाइड इक्वेशन 1 बाय इक्वेशन 1 बाय 2 या 2 बाय 1, इक्वेशन 2 बाय इक्वेशन 1, ओके, इम्प्लाई वी गेट व्हाट वी गेट, ए बी इक्वेशन 2 डिवाइड बाय इक्वेशन ए डी अपॉन ए बी equal, divide left hand and right hand, then AD upon AB, AE upon AC. Now see in the figure, AD this upon full AB is equal to AE upon AC. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि in these two triangle ADE and ABC, two sides are here proportionally and ratio equal. तो देखो AD upon full one side of the ABC and AE upon AC equal हैं, तो it means now so and एक पॉइंट और लिख लें, एंड एंगल कॉमन लिख दें, एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल ए कॉमन इन ट्रायंगल कौन कौन सी ट्रायंगल, फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल कौन सी है, ट्रायंगल ए डी ई एंड ट्रायंगल, सेकेंड ट्रायंगल कौन सी है, ए बी सी एंड ए बी सी, ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, इन दोनों ट्रायंगल में एंगल ए कॉमन हो गया बेटा, और टू साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनली होगी यहाँ पर इक्वेशन 3 से, इक्वेशन 3 एंड दिस पॉइंट, तो ओके क्या हो गया, कौन सा रूल लग गया, दस ट्रायंगल ए डी ई सिमिलर ट्रायंगल ए बी सी कौन से रूल से हो गई है, एस ए एस सिमिलरिटी, क्राइटेरिया डन, हैंस प्रूव्ड, यही प्रूव करना था, हैंस प्रूव्ड, डन, क्वेश्चन 6 डन. Now similar question number 7. Okay, one question more we can do from NCERT book, question number 7. Okay, हाँ जी, question number this 7. Figure is given. In the figure, AD perpendicular, BC, CE perpendicular on AB in triangle ABC. These two perpendicular, altitudes given and intersect at point P. Okay, so first we have to show triangle AEP, this triangle equal triangle CDP. Understand this thing. Very simple. One angle E in AEP 90 degree, and in CDP this also 90 degree. Okay, angle E equal to angle D 90 degree is given. Okay, second point you see triangle AEP में angle APE this angle equal to this vertically opposite angle. Okay, by A. तो we can write A similarly done. तो ये कौन सी होगी A. लिख कर दिखाएं इसको, प्रूफ को, फर्स्ट को. सिमिलरली अदर आई विल एक्सप्लेन. ठीक है. इन ट्रायंगल AEP फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूफ AEP in triangle this and triangle CDP. What is in this? What is here in this? In this triangle, what? Angle E. ठीक है बेटा? Angle E of this triangle AEP equal to angle D of triangle CDP equal to angle D. Y equal 90 degree given. Altitude given. ठीक है. Altitude given. In the given this written. Okay beta. Both altitude. In the given. We should write this given. Okay. Now second point, vertically opposite angle. Angle APE equal to angle AP equal to CPD. Okay. तो angle P equal to angle P, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. ठीक है बेटा. We know vertical opposite angles are equal. So by AA similarity triangle सिमिलर होगी AEP similar triangle CDP. Done. Hands proved. Like this. Second also observe. Now triangle ABD second. ABD देखो फिगर ABD एंगल D 90 है. ट्रायंगल CBE दिस 90 है E. तो E 90 D 90. अंडरस्टैंड. ABD में ABD this angle 90 and this angle 90. Okay, clear. And now ABD angle B and CBE angle B is common angle. Similarly by A we can say. ठीक है. As first part you can write. Done by A. Third observe AEP. Understand? AEP and ADB. AEP angle 190 and ADB 190D. तो D and E 90 degree. Okay. ठीक है. एंगल AEP angle A and ADB angle A. Angle A is common in both. Understand? Common angle in these both. AEP angle A बना हुआ and ADB same angle EA. So same here, common angle A. So same rule A, and third by this. We can do fourth also. So similarly, we can do fourth also. So same here, very simple, very easy, we can do easily. Okay, take interest, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and forward the video to the maximum contact so that they will get the benefit. ओके मेरा आपसे ये निवेदन है कि सबको ज़रूर भेजें, जो भी कांटेक्ट आप पर हैं भेजें, उनका किसी ना किसी बच्चे का फ़ायदा हो जाएगा. ओके कोई ना कोई इसको देखेगा. ओके like, share and subscribe, guide them and write the comment in comment box. Thank you.